I will strive to be a perfectionist for you because I do not want to make any mistakes with you. Since you poured milk and honey into my world, as soon as you entered my heart, you must be my promised land. Even if you gave me your love for free, I promise to treasure if for the rest of my life you are the cherry on top of my cake. You element all bitterness. You will be my melody when I can't write songs and when I can't see the beauty in the world. You will be the gallery I see. I love you such a lot of honey. My love for you will not lead me astray if I become lost. My heart's rule is to have you until the end. I will never give in to the temptations of this world. Without you, I'll give you a ridiculous round of applause for winning my heart in such a passionate way. I developed more cherishing from the day I become hopelessly enamored with you. When we make it us a happily ever after couple to the end, we will share the best news. You can rely on me to love you even when you don't describe it with your arrival in my world. A difficult life has just become beautiful. I have a special love for you. It's mind boggling to cherish you. The manner in which I do admit everything I relish every second. I'll taste the beverage of your adoration until it extinguishes my taste and replaces the blood that streams in my vein. You come and below my feet away, making me the happiest man on earth. Will I was staring dejectedly at life. Loneliness is certain to be far away from me. With you, I will remain loyal to you from quest to quest. I can't share what we have with anyone else. Our dreams inspire me to continue dreaming with you because they are more beautiful than Disney World. I cherish you. I'll kiss you until I catch you and hold you in until you refuse to leave. You rose to the throne of love and reflected my heart's lonely lines. I didn't want to fall in love, but I was forced to because of you. You are deserving of being lavishly loved. You are the reason I am happy and the brightest of all the stars because you can only bring me joy. You will never be able to break my heart. I long for you both evening and day, and I love you each second of the moment, sweetie. I adore you when you are stranded. I will be your angel. I'll kiss your dry lips to wet them, and when you are alone, I'll hug you tightly to keep you company. The world is made for ourselves, and I was made for you. I will love you more than you love yourself, but I can't love you less than love myself.